I'm Tim Davis, DevOps Advocate with M0, and this week we're talking about IAM-policy-json-to-terraform. Now, this is a really lightweight, awesome tool that helps you go through and convert any JSON that you have for AWS IAM policy and quickly transform it into usable Terraform files. Now with this, I was able to really quickly install it using Brew, and if we jump over into VS Code here, I've actually got a couple of JSON files that are just examples of some AWS IAM policy here. And let's figure out how we get this converted. Now it's really simple. We're going to take that and we're going to write the command here for IAM-policy-json-to-terraform. We are going to give it an input here and we'll use the JSON file from here. Now, if we just go ahead and execute that, it's going to go ahead and dump out all of that information here for us in Terraform format. But we want to be able to create the Terraform file. So if we actually go back, now let's take that input and push it to an output, and we'll do AWS IAM policy.tf, and we'll go ahead and run that. And now we've actually got a usable Terraform policy here. Now there are other tools out there like Terraformer that can help you create policy or create Terraform files based off policy you already have. But for example, if you go into AWS and you create a brand new policy from scratch, it's going to give you that JSON. Now you can take and very quickly convert that into Terraform for usable. Be sure to check them out on GitHub, and if you have anything that you want to do, feel free to, interact with them, open up any issues or anything like that. And of course, if you use it and you like it, give them a star, and make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to figure out what we're playing with next week.